All right, welcome back to the break room. From next to break, going out to Andrew. 5-box case of Prime Sigs, 2015 Museum Baseball, and 2014 Immaculate Football. So let's start off with Museum, then we'll move on to football. Let's see what we can get for you, AP. Alright, of the first pack of Museum. Manny Machado out of 199. Reggie Jackson, Miguel Cabrera, Michael Taylor, and an autograph card of Sonny Gray out of 399. Next up, Greg Maddux, Randy Johnson, Jonathan Lucroy, Nelson Cruz, and we have a Starlin Castro jersey laundry tag. Gonna be a 1/1 Starlin Castro. That is authenticated by Major League Baseball also. What a card there for you, AP. I want to see what this was from. Alright, this was from a game against the Nationals, September 4th, 2012. That's when it was worn. What a pull for you there, Starlin Castro laundry tag. And that was from the last box of that case we were going through. Next up, Miguel Cabrera out of 199. Derek Jeter, Matt Holliday, Roberto Clemente Canvas Collection, and a Tony Gwynn quad jersey out of 99. Next up, we have Nolan Ryan, Adrian Gonzalez, Dalton Pompey, Joe DiMaggio, and an autograph bat relic, CJ Crone, numbered out of 299. Almost thought that was Mike Trout for a second. Thought about that from yesterday. All right, next up, let's do the 2012 Prime 6 5-box case. There are the 5 boxes. It's not the same breaking these free AP without you here. All right, we have D'Angelo Williams, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, autograph of Maurice Claiborne out of 99, and Mike Wallace. Next up, Doug Flutie, Dan Marino, Phil Simms, and autograph of Nick Foles out of 199. I've heard a lot of good pulls, but I haven't seen them for myself. Next up, Matt Castle, Aaron Rodgers, James Laurinaitis, and autograph of Frank Gore, numbered 7 of 10. Next up, Warren Sapp, Ronnie Lott, Demarius Moore, and autograph of Casey Hayward out of 199. One more box to go. We have LaShawn McCoy, Brandon Pettigrew, Reggie Bush, and our final autograph, Stephen Hill redemption card. All right, let's wrap it up here. 2014 Immaculate Football. Alright, this should be a dandy also. Let's start off. Richard Sherman out of 99. Next up, Derek Carr Jumbo Patch, 43 of 50. After that, we have a triple patch featuring Andrew Luck, Eric Fisher, and Jadeveon Clowney, 20 of 25. Next up, a Blake Bortles autograph patch, 5 of 5. Beautiful card, Blake Bortles. Then we have Trevor Riley, 45 of 49. Yeah, notice that. And a Chris Borland auto, 4 of 49. Thanks, AP. I'll get this posted out to YouTube shortly. Wish you could be here, but I know you'll be back again. Thanks for breaking with us.